Well, hello and welcome back. It is time once again to try to fix something. And today on the workbench, I'm going to be taking a look at whatever is in this little bag right here. So let's get right into it. There aren't too many things that could fit in this little bag. Where is my razor? There it is. So, it is carrying case. It is a Switch Lite with a game. Kirby Star Allies. Is that what it says? Yeah, Star Allies. Okay. I don't buy these too often because they're not really worth a whole lot as far as reselling, but I do enjoy working on them sometimes. Sometimes I enjoy them. Sometimes switches and switch lights can really piss you off. So sometimes I'll buy them if they look in physically good shape. And now that I look at this one, it looks bent. Can you see that? I believe we are bent. Just slightly. Okay, not a good start. Not a good start. I suppose I really should look down in this USB-C port before I put any power into this thing. Let me see if I can crank up the old microscope just long enough to look down in there. Just in case. Oops. There, no. I want to see the microscope. Okay. See if we can look down in this. Well, from what I can see, I see some dirt. I don't see any broken pins though. But I do see some white corrosion. Yeah, this thing's had a bath. See some marks on those screw heads there too. That one and that one. So yeah, somebody's been in here before. Okay. Well, that's not surprising. But I think I'm not even going to put power into it. After seeing that, what looks to be white corrosion. Well, it looks remarkably clean. I can't see the water indicator. Well, the water indicator looks perfectly fine. I need to take a close-up look at these connectors right over here, though. But yeah, it doesn't look like it's turned at all. That is amazing. Let's look. Yeah, I do see some water damage there. Yep. Just a little. Just enough. Come on. Yep, it always goes straight there. And the pin gets eaten away. Yep, just like that. Just like that. How about this one? This one doesn't have the same kind of voltage on it. This one does. So may not be much left to that connector down in there. Pretty much every switch light. Don't think I have any of these connectors. Don't think I have any donors. Scrape that in between there. This one is not as bad as some of them I've seen. Not at all. See if I can scrub this a little. Trying to get some alcohol down in there. I can still see the pins down in there. So they have not left entirely. This is a bit of a problem here. Of course, it always is. Yeah, that trace is gone. Yep, and that is built in. This cable is built into the screen. So we need to repair this if we could. All right, well, I think I've got that connector issue worked out for the backlight and going to the LCD screen. I think we won't know till we test it. I don't think we can test it right now, and I'll show you why. The if I can get my charger or get my ammeter in the picture there a little. She doesn't seem to be taking a charge at all. But now it does. Okay, it wasn't doing that earlier. And now we have a battery indicator. Okay. I thought I tried that. I can't remember if I tried it with this board out. Maybe that makes a difference. Maybe I tried it when this board was out. Okay, so that tells you right there, our backlight is working, our screen is working, and we are charging 270 milliamps. Well, that was easy. Well, we still got to check out a lot of these buttons and controllers and stuff, but at least our liquid damage was not too bad. I mean, we have backlight. So let's let this charge for a while and see if she will come to life. Now, just a quick update. The current has jumped up to 460 milliamps, so I'll take that as a good sign that she's going to continue charging. Well, I heard the console make a noise, and the current has jumped up to just over 1 amp. So how can I do this with a limited number of hands? Where's that power button? There, over here. This is harder to do than I thought it would be. There we go. All right. Battery is low. So she's still a little tired. She's still charging though. I don't have the regular, official Nintendo charger hooked up to her right now. I could do that later on just to confirm it will charge at 15 volts. But so far, we're coming back to life. Well, I did decide to go ahead and dig out my own personal Switch charger, and I've got it in line with my ammeter. And yeah, we are charging at 14.8 volts, half an amp. So that should speed up our charging process a little bit, or a lot. There we go. Still pretty dead, but we're coming up, and we'll charge a lot faster now at 15 volts. Well, I have fully reassembled this Switch Lite. It's still charging, but it's fully reassembled. And the only thing I can think of that I need to do is I need to see if it will read the game cartridge, which it did come with one. Let's just see if it's any good. Which way do these things go? Is it like this? Yes. Oh, if I can, well, the mechanism was locked in already. All right, there it goes. Well, Kirby Star Allies seems to be working. There's an update. I'll have to get on the internet for that. But yeah, she reads cartridges fine. I need to make sure it will connect to the Wi-Fi. But yeah, I think our main problem is a little bit of water on that ribbon cable for the screen that that carries the backlight power. That's always a problem on these. Doesn't take much. Does not take much. All right, well, I hope you liked that one. Thought it was somewhat interesting, educational, entertaining, any of the above. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in that very next repair. So long for now.